Let me present you the 2021 edition of the Certified Management Accountant Part 1 Preparation Pack. CMA Part 1 is known as the Financial Planning, Performance and Analytics. This preparation pack will prepare you for the CMA exams conducted by the Institute of the Management Accountants IMA US. CMA exams are passed by understanding the core topics presented in the syllabus and the ability to apply in the real case scenarios. You will be tested at higher cognitive levels. CMA Part 1 exam is harder as compared to the CMA Part 2. That's why this CMA Part 1 preparation pack of the 2021 will help you in your certification journey. Majority of the CMA candidates are the working executives. This CMA exam preparation book is designed for the candidates' independent learning so that they can focus more on their career, leisure activities and the family time. CMA certification can easily be achieved within a year if you can give at least 3 hours on the weekdays and at least 6 hours on the weekends. A dedicated section on the Certified Management Accountant basic information is added in the book, which explains the proven strategies to clear the CMA exam in the first attempt. CMA Part 1 Financial Planning, Performance and Analytics. Lecture videos are available from YouTube, which will give you the confidence to retain the topics in heart. Do read the comments and ratings of my past candidates from the Facebook. This CMA exam prep is ideal for all the persons working in the financial and the management reporting positions. It is also equally good for those candidates who wish to learn the concepts and the principles of the financial and the cost management. You will get the integrated printable PDF book along with its PowerPoint presentation on the subscription. Let's work together towards the common goal of earning a Certified Management Accountant credential. My support and guidance will be with you till you pass the exams. You can ask as much questions as you wish to, either through WhatsApp or email, and I will answer to the best of my ability. Keep looking for the creativity and don't settle for the less. You have that potential. It is just a matter of time that you explore and discover yourself. Once you find yourself and your capability, you will never be the same again. Become limitless and fearless.